Has anyone else wondered why one of Genshin's most advanced characters has a giant wind-up key protruding from their back? To understand that, we're going to need to do a deep dive into engineering history. And lucky for you, this genie happens to have a Bachelor of Engineering in Robotics. Not that that really matters to the video, I just wanted an excuse to say it. Sandrone is said to be a puppet created by the great Montanian engineer Alain Guilin in the likeness of his deceased sister, and she's actually the most advanced creation we see in Genshin. Being almost entirely human, she is able to eat, sleep, bleed, and has the same cognitive abilities as a regular human. See, the idea of creating artificial life is a really old one, almost 2,000 years old, with the earliest known examples coming from ancient Alexandria, or Roman-controlled Egypt, where one man, known only to us as the hero, or in some cases Huron of Alexandria, was able to create fully mechanical miniature theater performances, typically acting out one Greek tragedy or another, powered by a system of ropes, knots, and simple machines operated by rotating gears. These mechanical plays could even generate the sound of thunder, 'cause Zeus. But at some point, clockwork technology was lost or forgotten in Europe and only returned when brought from the Islamic world after the Crusades. Speaking of the Islamic world, that's where we meet the father of robotics. In 1206, Al-Jazari, a Mesopotamian polymath, published the Book of Knowledge and Ingenious Mechanical Devices, sometimes referred to as the automata, which detailed the creation process and blueprints to his inventions and instructions on how to DIY them at home. Such inventions were an elephant clock, a drink-serving automaton, a hand-washing assistant, and a peacock fountain, all of which worked via a combination of hydro-pneumatics, gears, and floats. Now for Sandrone. The wind-up key on her back is definitely connected to a clockwork motor, which I suspect is the core Arlecchino mentioned having sent back to the Fontaine Research Institute. A clockwork mecha is the mechanical heart of a wind-up automaton. Rotating the wind-up key tightens a coil mainspring, storing energy like stretching a rubber band. As the spring slowly unwinds, that energy is transmitted through a series of gears that control the speed and movements of the machine, allowing it to perform a sequence of actions. And very likely, Sandrone's wind-up key is more than just decoration. It could function like a giant self-winding watch, which is just a technical way of saying an automatic watch. Every step, turn, or movement could drive gears and ratchets that slowly rewind her mainspring, keeping the key turning without her needing someone else to wind it up for her. Or maybe she just turns her annoyance into rotational energy. Who knows? Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.